Hey guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls bringing you a 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. This has the 6.6 liter turbo diesel V8 and 52,000 miles. If you come around to the back, you can see it has the power drop-down tailgate as well as a fifth wheel prep package. Inside you can see it has this nice black leather interior as well as a nice sunroof. Coming to your steering wheel, you can see it has a heated steering wheel. It also has built-in navigation as well as the HD surround vision camera. It also has some safety features such as lane departure warning, cross traffic alert, front collision warning, and has automatic high beams, as well as heated and cooled front leather seats. If you're interested in this 2020 GMC Sierra, stop in or give us a call today.